Good morning, everyone. So you have done 15 and 10. 10 ones are 10, 15. But your division is right, but you have not done it in the proper mixed fraction. Nothing is there in the whole. Your question should be there in the whole. No, आपने one लिखा ही नहीं है question whole में. So good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Take out your
Good
notebooks,
morning,
everyone. Take out your notebooks, maths notebooks. No one will ask ma'am whether revision or not. Maths classwork notebook. Write the question number 1. Convert the following improper fractions into mixed fractions. Number 1, 15 upon 7. Number 2, 8 upon 3. Number 3, 18 upon 4. Number 4, 25 upon 6. Do these 4 sums in your notebook and tell me the mixed answer. I can call any child name. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes time to solve this. I can call anyone's name and that child will answer me.
Ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I was not there yesterday. I have sent a mail to you.
Yeah, you have not attended the class yesterday, so you need the recording.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll send you the recording of yesterday's in your mail. Okay. So I have taught them about the how to convert the improper into the mixed fraction. First of all, you need to divide it. This is the type of this is improper fraction. Why it is improper fraction? Because from 7 parts 15 parts are not possible to give. So this is a improper fraction, and this fraction, when you convert it into the mixed fraction, in that mixed fraction you will get the sum part in the whole and sum in the fractional part. So for that you need to first divide it. Divide this 15 with the 7 and tell me the answer.
Ma'am,
Anne.
I know the answer.
You know
One.
the Anne. One answer is there. Who told me? I know the answer one.
Ma'am, I can do here.
Which child is saying?
Divit.
Divit, answer is one. Divit, answer is one.
Yes, ma'am.
In the first one, the answer is coming one. My dear,
No, ma'am.
do it 10 times. If you don't think and don't give me the appropriate answer, then better you do it 10 times.
Ma'am, may I explain?
I know Manya knows, I know Moksh also knows, I know few of the students, they know. They are doing practice regularly. But I know that some students are giving the answers blindly. Anne, Jigar Singh, what happened? Why you are hiding half of the face with the hand? Sit properly. Remove your hand from, yeah.
I can check some.
No, Vedant will give me. Yes, Vedant.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer will be one whole number. One is the whole number, and it will be 7 upon 2.
Wrong. Yes, Viva.
Ma'am, 2 is whole upon 7.
2 whole number. Let her speak now. Your chance is gone, Vedant. Viva.
2 is whole 1 upon 7.
2 whole number 1 upon 7. Manya, is she correct?
Yes, ma'am. She's correct.
Vedant, is she correct? No. Tej Kumar, is she correct?
No, ma'am.
No. Why? Can you explain why?
Ma'am, because there is two pizza she has eaten. Then in third pizza she has eaten only one piece and 7 pieces are left.
6 pieces are left, no, out of total 7. So it is 2 whole 1 upon 7. She told that thing only.
Ma'am, there are 3 holes. Ma'am, there are 2 holes in 3 pizza.
So, but you have to say, no, 2 whole and from the third one, 1 upon 7. So it are not, there are no 3 holes. Holes are 2 only. Yes, Vishrut.
Ma'am, 2 upon 7.
2 upon 7? No.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. 2 upon 1. Viva is right. Ma'am.
Yes, Viva is right, I know, but there are students who are confused.
Ma'am, 2 upon 1.
No. See, when you divide 15 with
Ma'am,
the
may I
7.
answer?
Yes, Kashvi.
Ma'am, 1 whole pizza and 7 upon 8.
Wrong. कहाँ से 8 आया? कहाँ से 7 आया? I don't
Ma'am,
know.
may I?
I don't know which logic you children are using.
Ma'am,
Yes, Manya. Now last Manya will speak.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am explaining.
Yes, please.
We will 7 divided by 5. 15.
15 divided by 7.
Yes, ma'am. 7 twos are 14.
When you divide this, 7 quotient is 2. 14 will be your, and the remainder will be your
1.
1. And when you convert them into the mix, where the remainder will go? As a
Whole.
numerator.
No. 1 upon
Numerator.
7. Numerals.
Numerator.
Ma'am, may I say, ma'am?
And 2 will be the 1 upon 7.
2
Seven
whole
will be
1
the
upon
denominator.
7. Yes. So we
Now
can now
we will do
explain.
7. 7 into 2 plus 1.
Hmm.
So 7 into 2 is 14 plus 1 15.
Means your
15
answer
upon
is correct.
7.
Ma'am, may I say for the second one?
Vedant, when I give you chance, no, you better be ready. As you know, the teacher is giving chance to everyone. Then why you have given the first answer in a hurry and which was completely wrong? Right? And now I only have a 30 minutes time. Need to give the chance to everyone also.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Danya, next.
Ma'am, the second one, I have to explain out the answer only.
Explain.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 8 divided by 3.
Hmm.
So 3 twos are 6.
Yes.
So 2 is the quotient and 8 minus 6. So 2 is the remainder. So the answer will be 2 upon 3. And
2 whole number 2 upon 3.
Yes.
Yes, next. Now do Vedant third one.
I have to do the third one?
Yes. Bhavya Sagar, you will give me the fourth one.
Ma'am, may I answer the third one?
No. I've already given the chance. Please solve it in your notebooks, everyone. Suchi, don't only look the questions and then write the answers by your own.
Division is correct.
Yes, now your division is correct. I am not giving you the answers. Answers are getting explained by the students. These are the 4 questions, Suchi. So solve it by your own. Tej Kumar, mute yourself. Vedant will give me the third one. Yes, Vedant.
Ma'am, first we will do the division with 14 and 18. Division.
14 and 18, it is 4, not 14.
Yes, ma'am. 18 and 4.
18 divided by 4.
So the first will be 16 that comes in the fourth place. So the quotient will be 4 and then we will minus and the remainder will be 2.
Okay. How you will write it no mixed?
After that, we will do
Aradhya, Kashvi, Moksh, remove your hand.
that the remainder is the whole remainder, and the
Remainder will be the whole.
yes.
No.
Ma'am, quotient will be.
Quotient will be the whole.
Quotient will be. So the quotient is 4. So 4 will be the whole. And ma'am, then it will be. Ma'am, it will be now 4 2 upon 4. No, 4 upon 2.
4 upon 2.
4 and 2. Ma'am,
What is
Excuse
the
me,
remainder?
Ma'am, may I
Ma'am,
say? Ma'am, may I say, ma'am?
What, man?
Can you take your hand?
Ma'am, may I say, ma'am? First, the upper number will be 4 and the downer number will be 2.
No.
Ma'am, it will be 2 upon 4.
Yes, 4 whole 2 upon 4. Remainder will always be the numerator. I repeat again, quotient will be the whole, remainder will be the numerator, and the denominator which is in your question will remain at the denominator place. Only you need to learn the two places. One is the whole and one is the numerator. The denominator which is in the question will remain the same. Denominator place will not change. Yes, Bhavya Sagar, are you ready for the fourth one?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, we will first divide.
No, you give me the answer first now. Final answer.
4 will be whole. 1 will be remainder.
One will be remainder will go as a numerator.
And 6
4
will
whole.
be down.
Yeah. So 4 whole 1 upon 6 is the answer. Clear, everyone?
Yes,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
have a doubt. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Vishnu.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can find the answer of it. So how I write it? I am confused in that.
I am explaining, whatever is your quotient will go as your whole number. And whatever is your remainder will go as your numerator.
Okay, ma'am.
And the denominator which is in the quotient, in your quotient will remain the same.
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I have a doubt.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Moksh. please ask.
Ma'am, in one sum I had done 42 upon 4. So what will be the whole means? It will
Divide
be-
it.
Ma'am, I divided, so I got 1 whole and 2 upon 4.
1 whole and 2. How? In the table of 42 upon 4. 4 tens are 40. So 10 whole 2 upon 4. This will come. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, my answer is it will be right this 3 upon 1.
Where 3 upon 1?
Now, the second answer.
Second answer is 2 whole. 3 2 just 6. 2 upon 3. Because your that remainder which is 2, which is go as the numerator, your quotient which is 2, which is come as the whole number, and your denominator which is same in the answer also.
Ma'am, so the quotient is the whole.
Yes, always remember the quotient is the whole, remainder is the numerator. Only two things you need to remember.
And the denominator is the same as the question.
Yes.
Ma'am, write this.
Let me pin you. The way you have written is wrong. 1 will go as the numerator. And what are you doing? You are writing the numbers at too much distance. You know how you are writing? You are writing 2 here and this much 3 upon 1, which will be wrong. You should not keep this much distance between the whole number and the fraction. It should come like this. Itna hi distance hona chahiye. You cannot write. Vishruth,
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Now it is like this or down.
let me pin you. Yeah, now it is correct.
Ma'am, this
And
much
even though also it is not correct, the numerator should be 2. Your numerator is coming 1, which is wrong.
Ma'am, this much space is correct.
Show me. Yes. And always remember the line, the fractional line which is coming. So, for example, you are writing like this. It should come in the middle. And the whole number will come here. And this should come in the middle. This is the way of writing the mixed fraction. Clear, everyone? Now write the next question. Question number 2.
Ma'am, what was the answer of the fourth one?
Fourth one was 25 upon 6, right?
Yes.
4 whole 1 upon
Ma'am,
6.
the answer is 1 upon 6. And
Four
4
whole.
upon
The answer will be 1
So,
upon
Dania, you cannot say 1 upon 6 and 4 at the whole. No, read it as 4
4
whole.
whole 1 upon 6.
Yes. Clear, everyone? You cannot say 1 upon 6, then 4 at the whole, which will be wrong. 4 whole 1 upon 6. Clear?
Ma'am, what was the fourth one? That question? Fourth one?
25 upon 6.
I can put the answer.
No, now I'm writing the another questions. Then I will give you a chance to speak. Okay, Aradhya? Aradhya, done, everyone? All the 4 questions done?
Yes.
And all the 4 answers which we have done here are correct? We have discussed, no? All the 4. Everyone, we have discussed all the 4 questions. Please put a right tick if your answers are right. Now convert the following, right. Next question, convert the following mixed fraction into improper fraction. You write the question again. Don't erase it and do the correction in that only. Write the second question again.
Ma'am,
Convert the following mixed fraction into improper fractions. Now I am giving you the mixed fraction. Convert them into the improper. 1 whole 2 upon 3. Second question is 3 whole 3 upon 5. Write their answers. Third question is 2 whole 2 upon 7. Fourth question is 4 whole 1 upon 2.
hello, ma'am. I can write in my way.
What way?
Means,
You can write all the 4 sums lengthwise, no problem.
ma'am, means I will make means this line
Table.
3, then 1 multiplied by 3 plus 2. Like that.
Yeah, you can write here. In the solution, not in the question. Question, so the way I have given you, the same way you need to write. In the solution, you can write the way you want to.
Ma'am,
But final answer give me.
and what was written after into?
Improper fraction.
Okay.
Yes, Jigar Singh. Convert this mixed into the improper and give me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Kevian, turn on your camera. Granth, Rajvi, Nikhare, turn on your camera. Suchi Mali, where are you? Suchi Mali. Don't turn off the camera. Arrange your camera properly.
Ma'am, I can make a dash line and then write beside the question.
The way you want to write, but your final answer should be properly visible.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Jigar Singh. Give me this answer.
When the answer is 2 upon 4.
How 2 upon 4? You have learned this method that we have to multiply denominator with the whole. 3 ones are 3 plus 2. 5 upon 3 will be the answer. You have learned no checking method also. Nowadays, that's why I have noted, Jigar Singh, you're not paying attention in the class, which is very much compulsory to attend.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes. Give me the answer. Yes.
Can you repeat the first questions? How to
It's
find
written
out?
here. 3 multiply by 1. Denominator multiply by the whole plus the numerator.
5. Okay, ma'am. And the 3 because of that.
Denominator will be same.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, second one, no?
Yes.
Ma'am, second one is ma'am, I can say upon 5.
What, Divit?
18 upon 5.
5, 3, 15, 16, 17, 18 upon 5. Yes, correct. Kevian, give me the third one.
Ma'am, may I?
No, may I rule is not there in my class.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Kevian, give me the third one. This one. And please, if your answers are correct, do them correct also with the pencil, small tick. And do first by yourself. Don't look at the board. Yes.
Ma'am, may I say third one,
No,
ma'am?
I asked from Kevian. Kevian, multiply the denominator with the whole plus numerator.
14.
7 to the 14 plus
16.
16 upon 7. Don't forget to write the 7.
Ma'am, I can say.
Numerator
Ma'am, I
will
was
come.
saying this answer. Ma'am, I can say last one.
Which child? Rajvi Lahoti.
Ma'am, may I say, yes, ma'am?
Yes, give me the Rajvi Lahoti. And your voice is mute.
Ma'am, may I say?
Ma'am, may I?
Rajveer will only give me.
Ma'am, 9 upon 2.
Correct.
Ma'am, done all answers. All questions.
Can I raise the question
Yes,
only
ma'am.
this?
Yes.
Show me thumbs up, everyone. Is this part is done? You can see my fingers. You can see my hand.
Yes.
Can I raise
Yes,
this, Anna?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Anna, done? Anna, you are understanding how we are doing?
Yes, ma'am. I am at the last one, fourth one.
Yeah, you can do it, but I am only raising this question. Write the question number 3. Now we are going to learn comparing the fractions. So write compare the fractions. As I told you in my last class also that in grade 4, you have all the operation, whether comparing, whether ascending, descending, whether addition and subtraction. All the operations will come in the like fractions only. Like fractions, you all know which are the like fractions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Like the denominator also same and numerator also same.
No.
No, ma'am. Denominator is same in the all of the questions.
Yes. Means when the denominator is same, the fraction is a like fraction. And when you go in the grade 5, you will learn all the operation with the unlike fraction.
Ma'am, how to
So now if
compare
I
the
write,
fraction?
yeah, now we are going to compare the fraction. Now if I ask 15 upon 20 is greater or 13 upon 20 is greater?
Ma'am, 15 upon 20.
Yes. Suppose, yeah, out of total 20 parts, Aradhya got 15 parts. Another party out of total 20 parts, Moksh got 13 parts. So who got higher?
Aradhya.
Aradhya. So 15 upon 20 is greater.
Great.
So this is the first sum.
Ma'am, what was the fourth number? 4 whole?
I'll write.
Ma'am, the third question compare the fraction is I like this one.
Okay. It was 4 whole 1 upon 2. Moksh. Second is which fraction is greater, students?
Ma'am, may I say
10 upon 3.
3?
How we will read this sentence?
7/3 is less than 10/3.
Yes. Here we will read 15/20 greater
20
than
bigger
13/3.
than 13/3.
And 7/3 less than 10/3.
Ma'am, third one I can say.
Let me write first. Tell me.
Ma'am, both are equal. Ma'am, equal. Ma'am, 5/5.
What you have, what you have seen here, you have similarity that the denominators are same. So you no need to touch the denominators. You only see the numerators and put the greater and lesser sign. Got it, everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
आपको denominators को नहीं देखना है because these are the like fractions. Like fractions have the same denominator, and when there is a condition of same denominator, no need to confuse. Just only see the numerator which is greater. And you can practically see also 3 parts out of the 3, 7. Or if you can see 20 parts, 15 parts eaten. Out of 20, 13 eaten. So who ate greater? More parts, the 15 one. This is obvious, right?
Yes.
Is there any child who have not understood this concept? Can raise his hand, I will explain him. Rajvi Lahoti, any problem?
No, ma'am.
Remove your hand then. Lower down your hand.
What is that reciprocal in which the numerator is same but the denominator are different?
That also will come in the grade 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Can I go to the next question now?
Yes,
Ascending
ma'am.
and descending. Write the question number 4. Arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. What is ascending order means?
Small to big.
Small to big. So here also you will get the fractions which have the same denominator. You need to see only the numerator and arrange them.
Ma'am, like 4/5, then 5/5, then 6/5. It is
Yeah.
called ascending. Ma'am, you have written ending order, not ascending order.
It is ascending only. ASCENDING.
It is E.
Now clear? Up clear?
No,
what?
no, no.
Ma'am, we can just do that. Ma'am, we can just do like that.
Only.
If you want to, what
Ma'am,
happened?
we can do
Wait,
like that.
Danya, wait. Let me listen to Vihan. Yes.
Look at this. Oh, I thought that was a comma.
No comma. Arrange in ASCENDING.
Column. I at the bit first. I think that was a column.
Okay. Yes, Danya. Any problem?
Ma'am, we can like that. First you have written 3/7, 2/7, and 6/7.
I need to write more.
We have to, yes, we will write. So we will just copy that first and then we will write the answer.
Yes. First copy this sum. This is your question. Now write the answer for this. And for ascending order, no, write AO. And for descending order, write DO. Short form. So now I will arrange Aradhya. Which fraction will come first in the ascending order?
Ma'am, 6/7.
Ascending, small to big.
1/7.
And sometimes what children will do, they forget to write the denominator. They only write 1, then 2, 3, 4, and 6 means done, which will be wrong if you forget to write. These are the numbers you are arranging, the numerator only. Where the denominator goes? You are arranging the complete fraction. So please don't do this mistake. You need to write 1/7 with the denominator. Which will come next, Ane? Suchi Mali, which fraction will come next?
2 upon 7.
Yes. Divit, which fraction will come next?
Ma'am, 3 upon 7.
Kashvi, which fraction will come next?
4 upon 7.
Mania, which fraction will come next?
Ma'am, 6 upon 7.
Done. And please note, write the small commas. First, I did like this, which will confuse you also. Write the small commas so that it will be clearly visible to you all.
Ma'am,
Done?
the commas on the means down line.
Yeah.
So it is okay, no?
Downline means the comma should come in between these. When you are writing the fraction like this, no, the comma will come in between this, your middle line of the fraction. Opposite of this question, opposite of ascending order, we are going to do the descending order.
Ma'am, say to move to mute her mic.
Yeah, someone mic is on, please mute.
It's Mox.
In this class, I have noted there are 3 to 4 students who don't want to study at all. Kevian, turn on your camera, please. Leaving the class is not the solution. In maths, if you leave a class a single minute before, also you will miss a lot of things. So don't leave. I suggest you don't leave the class till the last. Till I not the end the class, you should not leave the class, please. Am I clear to you all?
Yes.
Now, opposite of this, write the question number 5th. Arrange in descending order. Same descending order will also come with the same denominators. You need to only see the numerator and compare them and write the bigger fraction first. So the fraction is 6 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 5 upon 7. I hope the board is clearly visible to you all. If not, please let me know. 3 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 1 upon 7, and the next is 4 upon 7. Now write the DO, descending order. Jigar Singh, which fraction will come first?
Ma'am, 1 upon 7.
Are you sleeping in the class?
No.
It shows me that only. Niva, which fraction will come first?
Ma'am, 6 upon 7.
Jigar Singh, I want to talk to you and I want to talk to you with your parents. Before ending the class, please call them. 6 upon 7. Rajveer is not there. Kevyan, which fraction will come next? These are single digit numbers. You cannot see which is the next number after 6. Which is the next bigger? Yes, Kevyan. Yes, Kevyan. Mic is mute. Kevyan, your mic is mute, bacha.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. So students, there is one information that report cards are published on the ERP. You can check your ERP app. Okay, reports card are published and you can please check your PTM slots also. Your PTM is going to be started from tomorrow. Port C. So see your timings, see your classroom, see your slot and then attend the PTM accordingly.
So, ma'am, in the PTM, if I would not be able to attend my PTM and mom will attend the PTM, it's
It's
fine.
okay. Yeah, it's fine. We will say everything to your mama. We'll talk with them. Okay. Kevin, you got the next fraction? He left. My dear, how can you left for the simple question, the class? Yes, Tej Kumar.
M 5/7.
5 upon 7. Yes, Viva.
May I?
4/7.
Yes, Vedant.
Ma'am, it will be 1 upon. No. Ma'am, 3. 3.
Only 3.
No, ma'am, 3/7. 3/7.
Don't be in a hurry. Next, Danya.
1/7.
Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So today,
Yes, ma'am.
students, I am going to send you the worksheet based on this. I want to tell you one thing here. I'm raising it just for the explanation. See here. I am going to send you the Google form. In Google form, you only have one line where you need to write your answer. So how you will write if suppose the fraction is 2 upon 3? So you don't have this kind of option to write. So what you will do, you will write 2 and you will get the slash which is there in your laptops. Write this slash,
Yeah, ma'am.
write the fractions like this. Or you can write 2 upon 3. This way also both the correct because you don't have an option of writing in the fractions.
So, ma'am, you will manually check the worksheets.
I will manually check the worksheet. See, I am going to show you. I am going to show you the worksheet. It is like this. I'll take a 1 minute time. See, it should be like this, right? It is like this. If the question is compare which fraction is greater, and you say the fraction is 4 upon 5 is greater. So how you will write 4 upon 5? 4
Ma'am, 4/5.
slash 5. Yes. This way you give the answers. These all are the questions. 5 to 6 questions are there in your worksheet. You need to say some students have given me the response sheet and they they have written upon word also. So this is okay. Like this 4 upon 5, 4 upon 5, and they have put a sign also greater or equals to, which will be okay for me
How
to
to
check.
put a sign? Oh, there is a sign. We have to press shift and.
Better you write the fraction. Better you write the fraction. Yes, Suchi.
Yeah, ma'am. But in my laptop, it is not working. I have to click a lot
We have
of
not
time, then it will come.